Most people imagine loading a bomb onto a US bomber as something simple. Roll it in, lift it up, lock it in. Done. But the truth is the process is far more detailed, far more careful, and far more technical than most people ever see. So today, let's break down exactly how the US military loads bombs into their bombers, from the moment the bomb is built to the moment the aircraft is ready to fly. The journey actually starts far away from the aircraft. Inside a secure munitions area, technicians begin assembling the bomb. And no, bombs don't arrive ready-made. They're delivered in parts. The technicians attach the fins, the guidance kit, and most importantly, the fuse. The fuse is what tells the bomb when to explode, and because it's the most sensitive part, it's handled with extreme caution. Throughout the entire assembly, the team follows a strict checklist. Every component is inspected, verified, documented, and then inspected again. This is not a job where good enough is acceptable. One mistake can endanger the aircraft, the crew, and the ground personnel. Once the bomb is fully assembled, safety pins are installed. These pins make sure the bomb cannot arm itself by accident. Only after all safety procedures are confirmed does the bomb move to the next phase. Moving the bomb to the flight line. Transporting a bomb sounds simple, but even this part is heavily regulated. Special vehicles carry the bomb slowly and carefully to the flight line. Along the way, security escorts may follow, and ground personnel monitor every step. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is taken lightly. When the bomb reaches the aircraft, another crew takes over, the loading team, often called ordnance or weapons crew. These are the people trained specifically to install bombs onto aircraft like the B-1, B-2, or B-52. And this is where things get interesting. Meet the machine that does the heavy lifting, the MJ-1 bomb loader, commonly nicknamed the Jammer. It might look small, but it's a precision machine. It can lift thousands of pounds and move with shocking accuracy, up, down, forward, backward, and even side to side by the tiniest amounts. The reason it needs to be so precise? Because bombs have lugs, small metal attachment points, and these lugs must line up perfectly with the aircraft's hooks. If the alignment is even slightly off, the bomb won't lock in. Or worse, it could damage the rack. So the jammer operator slowly raises the bomb, while the rest of the crew guides it into place with hand signals and verbal calls. It's a coordinated team effort, almost like a surgical procedure. And once the bomb is aligned, the loading crew checks the lugs and hooks again, and then carefully slides the bomb into the rack. When it seats correctly, there's a noticeable click, a mechanical confirmation that the bomb is locked in. But that doesn't mean it's ready. Next comes the wiring. Modern bombs aren't just dumb hunks of metal anymore. They're smart systems. So the crew connects electrical cables between the aircraft and the bomb. These cables allow the aircraft to set the bomb's guidance mode, select its fuse timing, configure its flight profile, and ensure it releases correctly when commanded. It's like plugging in a high-tech device, because that's exactly what it is. When all the connections are secure, the crew removes the last safety pins. From this point on, the bomb can be armed by the aircraft, but only when the crew gives the command. Final inspections. Before the aircraft can even think about taking off, the loading team performs a full inspection. They check the bomb rack, the wiring, the safety pins, the jammer position, even the way the bomb sits on the hooks. They verify that every step on the checklist is complete. The aircraft's own crew chiefs also inspect the load. Nothing is left unchecked. Only when everyone signs off, only when every inspection is passed, is the bomber cleared to move, ready for the mission. At last, the bomber taxis out. Hours of work involving dozens of people, specialized vehicles, strict safety rules, and precise coordination, all for a weapon that will leave the aircraft in just a few seconds during the mission. But that's the point. When you're dealing with massive explosives, advanced guidance kits, and aircraft worth hundreds of millions of dollars, precision is everything. And that's how the US military loads bombs into a bomber. A process built on safety, teamwork, and absolute accuracy.